Hello, sir. Good morning. Hello. Hello, sir.
Yes, I'm going to run. Already, you joined? I'm not getting voice. It's okay. Let me rejoin. Maybe it was struck. Sam, can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Now I can hear you.
I think I kept it open, but I didn't get voice outside.
Okay.
Okay, so now it is fine. I think so. Let's.
Yeah, perfect. Can hear everything.
Okay, 1 second. Sorry for the noise. Yeah. So previous class
Yes.
we have discussed about web hosting, and also in
Yeah.
our other previous class also we have seen how to take a backup using versions, and also we created buckets in ways. And today we are going to discuss about replication. So replication in the sense, so if some any object is there that should be present. Okay, so replication in the sense, one thing should be replicable in different ways. Okay, so if you keep something that should be present in particular location. Okay, so for example in S3 replication we have a two ways actually. One is manual replication, the other one is automation. Okay, so for example I'm going to take Mumbai. This is Mumbai bucket,
Okay.
and other bucket is like Singapore or Sydney, anything.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the same thing should be replicable here. If I keep something, that should be replicable in somewhere other place or other region.
Yeah.
Okay, in different ways. One is manual way, manual
Manual automatic.
replication. The other one is
Automatic.
automatically. Okay, so we need to create manual application using manual. How we have to create manually, we'll see that. Let's see how we have to create the replication process using automation.
Okay.
Okay, so let's take
By
Mumbai bucket.
automation, we'll write JSON script or Python script or something else.
Script in the sense we need to enable some rules. Okay, we need
Okay, okay,
to
okay,
create some rules in source
okay, okay,
bucket.
okay, okay. Got
So
it, got it.
we don't have any scripts like that, but we have to keep some rules. So using that rules, it will automate. Okay, let's see. We'll go step by step. We'll go by, so then we can understand it easily. Initially nothing else actually. Or as I told, one company is there. That company is having two branches, two operations is going on. So at the time, they need to share the data. Okay, for example, this night or this daytime, currently it is daytime, right? So I kept this here, some bucket. Okay, so the same should be replicable in other Sydney bucket. Okay, whenever they want they will go and check it. Okay, so let's see
Same thing.
how we have to connect, how we have to set the rules for the manual and automation. Okay, so how we have to give a replication process using manual and also automation. So let's go and do this. First of all, you need to create a bucket first. In first, initially, I would like to take two different regions. Let me take this duplicate. So I'm going to use different region name. Anything like Sydney is there, right? Sydney. So this is actually for where we are currently. We are in Sydney region. Okay. So now this is Mumbai. Two different. Okay. So let me create here first one bucket. Now, I'll use same name because no, this name is taking, right. Cloud DevOps.
First, you're creating in Sydney.
Yeah, yeah. First we are creating Sydney. Anything we can create in first here also.
Yeah, we can even write Sydney also, so that we know that this is Sydney
Okay.
and Mumbai.
So then I'll use Sydney name. Sydney bucket.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So naming convection. Yeah,
SYDNEY.
yeah,
Sydney
yeah. Name.
bucket. So I'll keep like this. Then this is good actually. We can easily recognize. Better, no confusion will be there, right? That's okay.
Yes,
So, Sydney bucket. That's it, right? Simple name.
yes, yes.
Okay. So next region is
This
Sydney, and we select here this.
we have to, because we are giving
Definitely.
rights to the other bucket.
Exactly. We have to give the right permissions, authentications. So let me keep this public because we need to
Yeah.
share the data. We need to share the bucket. That's the reason you need to keep it in public. You need to give the public access.
Yes,
You
yes.
need to acknowledge it and just simply create the bucket. No need to touch these. These are all things. Let us create a bucket first. Okay. So I go create something. It's not taking. Okay, let me try to use some other name. I'll keep
With
Cloud
one
DevOps.
or two you can write. Yeah, yeah. Something you can write. Yeah.
Yeah, something
Add
like
some.
a Cloud DevOps. No,
Yeah.
Cloud DevOps. Let me check with this.
Now this will be fine.
Yeah, maybe it is creating. Yeah. It got created. That's fine. So Sydney is ready. Fine. Okay. So next I do one thing. And also something you need to keep in this object. Something you need to keep in this bucket as object. Let me create one
Yeah, of
object.
course.
So I will take notepad. So different content. I should not copy yesterday's.
Yeah, okay. I
Okay.
think, sir, you are creating storytelling YouTube channel.
Yeah. I'm also doing this because I want to learn AI, how to utilize
Yeah,
AI tools.
yeah.
Like because I don't know AI, how to utilize it. Earlier, actually, I used to face lot more difficulties to create an image. But
Hmm.
today it is really very much easy to do. Everybody. So if
Yes, yes,
somebody
yes.
having little bit knowledge on computer, they can able to do their own pictures, images, everything like
Yes,
videos
yes.
also. But actually
Yeah,
my interest was actually we are actually in the technology, so we doesn't know how to
right.
use AI tools. In the sense, it's like a shame.
Hmm.
So that's the reason
But
I'm just trying to create a stories for kids.
yeah, okay.
Yeah, the same I posted in my LinkedIn also. So
Okay.
you
Even
know,
I am trying to learn these tools to create a story.
yeah.
So, but but the free tools are not very good to create a
But
full story.
yes, Sam, you are absolutely right. But the thing is that is too expensive. Even if you want to buy it, also it is very expensive. So
Right,
then
right,
we need to pay some patience, and we can create using free tools also. That is not
right.
much comfort, but we can spend. We can utilize it also.
Right.
So because some new things, if I'm very much interested to learn new things. That's why I'm
Right.
just exploring it. That's it. for
It's
understanding.
very good. One
Yeah.
has to.
Even I'm happy to say that actually I succeeded. Happy to say.
Right.
Yeah, yeah. I'm
Yeah.
going to create something. I'm going to keep here. Welcome to Sydney, Sydney bucket, bucket. Something, some content. Just
Yes.
keep. Okay. And let's keep this line one, something like that. I'll keep like this. Just for so something content I'm keeping. Whenever you get chance, you can keep your own. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
So I'll keep the name. Um, can I keep file one dot txt? Okay, I'll keep like this. Save on the top of desktop. Save. Okay. So, however, on Sundays actually you are not with me, right? So on that day
Mm-hmm.
I'm getting good leisure time. So at the time I'm trying to create these kind of creative animated stories.
Right. Right. It's very good. It's very good. Even I'm trying to do something like that, just to see. I mean,
Yeah,
how
yeah.
it goes.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. So I also actually I'm just trying to observe while creating the images how prompt or how we need to utilize the prompting, so
Right.
which will be useful for the AI. So in
Right.
TCS currently recently TCS also hiring for Gen AI student, sorry, Gen AI, there is actually one position called Gen AI developers.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, that Gen AI actually I went for TCS. So at the time
Okay.
I have observed things, lot more openings for Gen AI people.
Okay.
So generating artificial intelligence. So using prompting. So they are actually I don't know what kind of projects what kind of projects they are utilizing for,
Okay.
but actually there are a lot more openings for the Gen AI, which means
Okay.
Gen AI people what they will do is they will create uh, prompting for the
Prompting.
particular requirement. For example, so if I have my requirement is actually some story is there, some issue is there. On top
Okay.
of that, I need to create first of all before going to get the result. You need to make it break it. You need to break the story first.
Right. Of course.
You need to break the story, and you need to make you need to first of all, if you take my example also, you need to create the images first. Okay,
That's right.
if you need to create the images first, you need to write the prompting first.
Of
According to
course.
prompting itself, it will generate the image.
Yes, it will create the background. It will create the dialogues. It will
100%.
create the scenes, scene one, scene two, scene three, and
Exactly.
then individually you have to maybe run it in Runway AL or maybe Mid Journey or maybe Leonardo. You make the background. You make the scenes, and then you put the characters also. Put the characters and insert it, and maybe use some tool like. A clip champ or something which is from Microsoft to give it a sound or something. So that is how it is done actually. But
Yes.
yeah, you need to experiment. That's the thing.
Yes. Exactly.
Because they are, if they are free, then it will have limitations.
Yeah, it will have limitation, but sometimes that is really I'm really appreciating AI related people, AI related tools, companies. I'm really appreciating. Why? Because they are following excellent strategies, marketing strategies. How? I'll tell you. For example, if you are non-member or if you are non-subscriber, how they are
Mhm.
utilizing? First, initially they will give you one or two images very
Mhm.
quickly. So, but
Yeah,
after once you try for the third one or fourth one, so
too
they will
slow.
keep you in hold, which means they will give you a message like actually you are a non-member, you
Yeah.
need to wait for 1 hour or you are in a queue.
Oh,
So they
okay.
are keeping like that. They are actually allowing you to make it done, but as compared to
They're clever.
subscription people, you will get too much late.
They're clever.
Yeah, very much clever. They are actually following super strategies. Some other companies actually following. They are actually giving you some credits. Example, 600 credits. each images it will occupy 100 credits. Once if you finish this credits it will ask a subscription,
Right.
and it will block your email IDs for next time, which means
Right.
it doesn't allow you. That
Right.
is a good strategy. They are following different and multiple strategies. Multiple companies are following different strategies.
Right.
So I really appreciate it. This is what my observation actually.
Right. 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 True.
Yeah. So this is actually Sydney bucket. So I also created a notepad.
Okay.
So next to I'll go to Mumbai first. Mumbai bucket.
Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, I did not create a Mumbai bucket. First I'll create a Mumbai
Okay.
bucket.
You just say my bucket.
Mumbai hyphen bucket hyphen cloud DevOps. Okay, maybe let's try. Let me try. Okay,
ACL enabled.
ASTL enabled. Public. Okay. Next, acknowledge. Let me create this. Okay. So, okay. What is this? Ah, yeah, yeah. This is global. Okay, got it. Okay, Amazon S3.
Yeah.
Uh, what is this? I need to go for S3 bucket. One second, sir. Okay. So this is one bucket. This is one bucket. They are actually appearing at one place, which means it is not in the same region. Two different regions you can see. You can identify it.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So this is in Mumbai region and this is in Sydney region. So why it is appearing at one place in the sense it is actually global.
Yeah.
Whatever
Yeah.
you create in the S3 that is actually global.
Yes. Yes. It will be under that. Yeah.
Yes. So let me go to Mumbai first here. Mumbai bucket. So you need to select the object.
Add something.
You need to add something. So I'll try to create some other file. Welcome to Mumbai bucket. Okay, something I kept here. Okay, so I'm going to save it. Mumbai bucket. Okay, it is already in text format, so I don't need to keep any extension. Save. Okay, let me keep here. Okay, so I need to select the object, which means upload. Okay, Mumbai bucket, right?
Yes. Mumbai bucket.
Okay, this is Mumbai bucket. Okay, next.
Access. They're going to give access or
Okay, I think
permission.
let me try it directly without permissions. What is the permission? Grant
This
public
access.
access. I'll do this.
If we do not, then maybe it will not go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. So upload.
Yeah.
I uploaded
Yeah.
now. So again, I will go back. So here, this is object actually, which we upload. Look, next,
Yeah.
go to actions. Can you see?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here
Actions.
in this actions, there is an option called copy.
Yeah. That's right.
Okay. This Mumbai bucket file should be appear in Sydney. That's what my intention, right? See,
That's right.
whatever you keep here, that
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
file should be display, which means replicate in Sydney. That's what my intention. In Sydney
Yes.
bucket, Mumbai bucket object should be appear. That's what intention. So that is the reason I'm going to copy. So now actually it is copy. Just copy it. My intention is to copy only. Okay. Copy. Where is destination? This is a destination, right? Browse.
Browse the bucket.
S3, browse S3. See here.
Yeah, we have to
No, yes.
we have to this thing refresh.
Yeah, refresh. Yeah, directly. Only one object is there. So directly you choose destination.
Okay.
Choose our destination. You chose already. It got selected, right?
But destination is not Mumbai bucket. The destination is Sydney bucket.
Yeah, destination should be Sydney. Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying maybe we have to scroll down. Maybe we don't scroll when we browse S3.
Destination should be actually if you are in a Mumbai, definitely destination would be Sydney.
Yeah, I think we should go to browse S3 and then we should scroll down a little bit, I guess.
Yeah, maybe. Let
Scroll
me.
down, scroll down this. Maybe is there a scroll button something somewhere?
No, no, nothing is there. I couldn't find anything here. So
Okay.
no, no, only this much only I can see. Let me check other any other different your destination details are there. Let us check here. Okay. So bucket. See here. So
Yeah.
these are destination details are there. Let us try here. Okay. Enable bucket versioning not required. See destination. Okay, let me go back again. The destination bucket. Oh, where is that option? Bucket versioning. This is okay.
But
AWS is always try to.
there was an option of replication in properties.
Where is?
There is a option of replication in properties. Just like you have like properties, permissions, matrix, management. Properties you have replication.
Okay. Actually, it should show here. Actually,
Yeah,
it
it
should
should
ask
go.
here itself. Actually, destination details.
Yeah, there also you should.
Okay, let's see. Specific object. Okay, copy source settings. One second. In this, don't copy source settings. Specify settings. Storage class. Server side encryption. Checksums. Object tag. Metadata. Access ACL. Okay. Where is that replication settings here?
Uh, Not here. It was in properties, I guess. Properties.
Yeah, we will go later first. Then, so
Yeah, yeah.
first of all, here we'll see, check here first. We need to choose then here.
Here, it's not here.
Okay, so we'll do one thing. So let me copy source settings here itself. Let me copy. So then after we'll change. So destination path you must change. Okay. So this permissions, metrics, management. Maybe I'll see here. Replication rules. No here. Inventory configuration.
Replication, create replication rule.
Once we create a replication, it will replicate, but where it will replicate? Our intention is to replicate some other destination. First, destination must be created. See, Sam, this is the problem with the AWS. So AWS actually they used to give there itself whenever you select the destination path is the right there itself you have an option called earlier it was option I could see.
Yeah.
Okay, but the thing it changed
Changing
now.
the interface.
Huh? Maybe they have
Maybe in other management that replication rule will have that from where to where you have to choose the source bucket and then you have to
okay.
choose the destination
Okay
bucket.
then.
Maybe
Okay then. So what we will do is
I'm
let us
guessing.
go directly to Sydney. Let us check because we just simply mentioned copy. Okay,
Okay,
from the destination part, we did not do anything right by our own right. So let us just we
we
just
did not.
only mentioned copy right. Let us check
Yep.
directly. Go and check here whether it is replicable or not.
Okay, no problem.
Okay, so Sydney is here.
On the left, on the right, on the
Okay, one
left.
second. Yeah, Sydney is right. Okay. Buckets. This is the bucket. No, nothing is there, which means we did not do properly. Okay. So they are actually keep on changing. I don't know. So while we are creating that in access point, while you are creating it, definitely it should show the destination path. Okay,
Yes, of
let us do
course.
one thing again. Let me go to objects, select object. Here I copied, right? Copy. I have copied. Then you need to choose the destination. Okay. So destination bucket name. We'll do one thing. I will take destination from the direction bucket. Okay. S3. Oh, access point. No. General purpose bucket. So
It's a general purpose.
yeah, yeah. So in this, we'll do one thing. This format will follow bucket name with the path. So I will take from here. This is little complex, but it's okay. Copy URL, this bucket path. Let me go here. This is a bucket. Copy error. So it should not be this much complex actually. What is a path here? S3 bucket name and it should be path. So I have to do this manually. Let me check. Bucket name. What is the bucket name? This is the bucket name, right?
Yes.
Oh, no, no. Mumbai. This is the bucket name.
Destination. No, 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 no.
Uh,
Destination is the other one.
okay, over here, Sydney. Yeah, this one.
This is the destination.
Copy. Let me modify this. Bucket name. This is a bucket name. Okay. And what is this optional prefix with the path? So let us go with the path. Let's need to identify path. So as I mentioned here, what is the path? Okay, Sydney Cloud Bucket. I need to find the path. Mm, so why they actually there is option itself. Okay, optional. This is optional, right? Let me do that with the same name. This name, whatever I have done,
Right.
I'll try with it.
That's true.
Let me try with it. Okay, so mention here. This is what view.
Let's see.
So Sydney bucket, it is redirecting or not? Sydney bucket cloud depots, it's not able to connect. Ah, yeah, it is connecting. I'm happy. Okay. So let me
Okay.
try to go other settings. Now, right, everything is fine. Let me try to copy now. Yeah, it is copied, successfully copied. But AWS should not keep this much complex. Actually, they should provide there itself while you are creating it. You should show the destination path,
Yes.
right? Why I don't know. They are actually keep on changing. Earlier the button was there. I've seen. Okay. Anyways,
Exactly. That is what.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So let me check here. Let me refresh the Sydney bucket. Here, refresh it. Come on. Yeah, you see this?
Yes.
So you did not share anything without unauthorized path, unauthorized way. You did not share your document through your mobile. You did not share your document through email or some other way. You securely send. You securely copy your document in the same resource, one resource to other resource in the same environment, AWS environment.
Right.
This is the
Bucket to
way
bucket.
we can manually uh, copy the source path to destination path.
Bucket to bucket.
Bucket to bucket. Yes,
Bucket to bucket in different edge locations or different regions.
exactly. Good catch. So
Because we don't have to send copy and send it to in the same location. Mumbai to Mumbai, we will not be doing it. Uh, Unnecessary. It will be costing too much.
yes.
Only different locations, maybe.
So now we actually sent through from actually Mumbai to Sydney. Now we will do reverse. So Mumbai to
Okay.
Sydney to Mumbai. Okay,
Mumbai.
let us do like this also. Let us check because we
Then
have
we have to
done in only
add
one.
another,
Yeah, here it is Mumbai, right? So we need to add something, upload.
add a file.
We already created that file, right? So
Yeah,
which
yeah, yeah.
is the
First,
name called
first,
Sydney, somewhere I mentioned.
yeah,
Sydney, Sydney, Sydney. I kept, I think, file one, maybe.
first file, something like that.
Yeah, I think I need to change this. Sydney bucket. So let me keep here. Yeah, this I'm going to select here. Right again. Hey, see this
Yeah, yeah.
destination details. You see here destination details. I did not selected any destination right now. It is
Right
cached
now, you
automatically.
don't have to. Right, you have to first. We are just
We are
uploading the file
we are
and then giving access, public access.
yes, we need to give the public access. I'm just taking this.
Yeah, I can copy it.
Actually, earlier we did like this, right? Again, we need to make it ready with the Mumbai also. Okay, let us complete first this first step. Should
And
not
then
skip this. Yes, upload this. And where is that? Where is that? Mumbai? Yeah, this is Mumbai, right? Yeah, this is Mumbai bucket. So let me copy this Mumbai, and here you need
here
to
it is
change.
updated.
Simple,
It.
right? That's
Okay,
it.
fine, fine.
Okay. So where is Sydney here? Let me cross check here. Sydney files. I'm going inside bucket. Two files you should appear. See this? Two files are there. This file
Right.
is related to the same region, which is Sydney. The Sydney I'm going to select and actions. So let us do one thing. Instead of copy, let us move this time. Already we have seen copy, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Let us go with the
No
move
problem. No
right
problem.
now. So just move it.
No
Move
problem.
means this file should not be appear later, right?
Okay,
Right?
got it.
See this? Now view part view. So let us check whether this connect or not. Initial it is synchronizing.
Yeah, it takes time, and then
Yeah.
the error will go.
Yes. This is really good sign. And yeah, this is working fine now. Now, so let me create the same move. Just moved it.
Yeah, so it will be removed from there and put in
Yeah.
Mumbai.
So can I cross check here? Let us cross
Yes,
check here.
refresh.
Yes. See here. Here actually whatever I uploaded, the file which is related to Sydney file, the Sydney file has been moved from Sydney to Mumbai. We should confirm, we should take confirmation from Mumbai region. Let us
Right,
see and refresh. We'll get Sydney file here. If not, wrong. Yeah. Sydney file is appearing here,
right.
which means successfully reached the destination.
It has.
Okay.
Perfect.
So far we actually did manual process. So
Manually,
how do we need to copy and move the files
automatic.
manually this way? So and also we'll see the how to delete it. So first we need to empty two buckets. Just click. We need to empty. Let's empty the bucket. We should do
And then
manually, right?
only you can delete the bucket.
Yeah. Let me empty this files.
Delete, permanent delete.
Yes. delete the objects here also. I'll also do the same from here. I'll try to delete object permanently. See, while you are creating that object, so it is asked actually versioning should be enabled or not. You might have observed.
We did not. We
Yeah,
did not.
it is actually asking. So if you want to enable at the time itself, you can able to enable versioning.
Or we did not. Okay.
Okay, I'll show you this time also. Don't worry. So this is Sydney and this is Mumbai. Okay, let me close this also. Let me keep here too. So here now we are going with automation. So this process is done manually. We have copied from one place to other place, which means source to destination. This part done. Now automatically how we have to do, whatever you keep in source bucket, whatever, for example, this is your laptop, this bucket, something which you are something actually it is there in your local system that you are keeping in this Mumbai. Okay, source, this is source, you are keeping in source bucket.
Yes.
Should be whenever whatever you keep here, that should be replicated automatically in Sydney without keeping, without following any steps.
Yeah.
We
Right.
have
Right.
done manually this and that, you click that, click that, click that. No need to do that actually. First you need to set up the rules. Okay. First you need to set up the rules. After that, whatever you keep here, that automatically should be replicated in the destination
In
region.
this, yeah, backup. Yeah.
Okay. So you need to you just need to understand the conditions. First, you have to enable replication rule in source bucket. While giving rule in destination, must select Sydney or other anything. So you understood, right?
Right.
Manually, while you are trying to send the destination path, you actually created manually also. The destination path also I created manually.
Right.
So this way, if somebody does not know, they can't do this.
Yeah. That is why I was saying we
Yeah,
either selection thing was not there. So we have
selection was not there, but manually you need to make it in.
we have to write the path.
If you forget this, yeah, you can't send manually. You can't do this, right? The second point is the rule is it is only Mumbai to Sydney, only one way.
Right.
So I'm
Okay.
going to write here. Actually, this is important point. Here I'm going to write points. First point is you need to enable
Yes.
replication rule in source bucket. Okay. Next, um, this is only one way. Okay. Third point is if you create or upload any object, that will be copied in other destination, which is like Sydney. But if you delete the object in Mumbai, it won't get deleted in Sydney. This is good point, right?
Yeah, right. But of course, if it is creating a backup, then obviously even if we delete Mumbai, it will be there. But if we are moving, then we are removing the file. But we are not moving the file; we are copying the file. In that case, no effect will be done if we delete one.
Yes. So if you delete I could not see where I am writing.
So we are copying, but we are not moving. So in that case, moving it will delete.
Yes.
So we are not deleting the original file. We're just
You
copying
need
it.
to delete the object in Mumbai.
Yeah, same concept. Yeah, will
Mumbai,
not.
it it won't get deleted in Sydney.
Yeah. Since you're only
If
okay.
this point fails, no meaning of replication and no meaning of copy,
Right.
right?
And what is this? This only one way.
One way in the sense, example, so this is Mumbai
Yeah.
and this is Sydney. Okay. So if for example this is a source and this is a destination, what is a one way communication? You only can send, you won't get
Okay.
it back. Okay, you only send only one way. This is actually, for example, if you set the rules here, the rule you mentioned that actual source is actually Mumbai and the destination path is Sydney. So in this case, whatever files you keep here in source, only that will be replicable in destination.
Right.
That's it. From the destination, you can't get it. Only one way communication. If you want to do so, again, you need to create from here to here separate.
Another
Okay.
replication rule, and
Yes.
in
Another
that case, the
replication you need
source
to
will be
create from the
destination.
destination path.
Yeah, the source will be destination in that
Yes.
case.
Only this is also one way communication. Okay.
Right, right.
With the same one rule, with the one rule, you could not able to communicate in two ways. Two-way
Got it.
communication is not there, not available at once for one
Got it.
rule. Okay. So this is good point, right? And let me go. Um, First, I'll go to Mumbai. This is a Mumbai buckets. Okay. So can I delete bucket also? Let me keep. Okay. Okay, I'll keep Mumbai bucket. I'll go to Mumbai bucket. So
Yeah, we can keep
here
the.
management is there, right? Here management. In this management rules will you can find the rules. See this? You already seen earlier. Replication rules. This replication rule, create replication rule. You need to create replication rule here.
Yes, yes.
So here actually you are not keeping any script. What is this? Replication require versioning to be enabled source bucket. Okay, okay, okay. It is actually giving the warning because for the backup itself. Earlier it doesn't get. So earlier this is not mandatory. It is actually suggesting to keep a backup file using enable because if something happens, this is only one way communication. If something happens, it will be backup.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so it is asking to get replication require versioning to be enabled. It is clearly telling that it is clearly stating that it should be enabled. Okay, let me do this first.
Do the replication.
Replication rule name. Okay, I'll keep cloud DevOps replication. No, no, no. What is this actually? Mumbai.
Yeah.
Mumbai
To Sydney.
replication rule. Rule 1. I'm creating actually replication rule 1 in Mumbai.
No problem. Yeah, that's
Okay.
fine.
For Sydney, if you want,
Anything. I mean, it'll be too long, then it will not take.
uh,
The naming convention should be small. It will not take, I guess.
yeah, yeah, it should be meaningful and it should be small to read easily. Okay, let us keep. This is
Yeah,
actually,
yeah,
yeah.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Fine.
Okay, replication rule, keep replication rule, and there should be what is the status is enable. That's okay. It is already default. Choose rule scope. See here, choose rule scope. This rule applies to all objects. Can you see here?
Yes.
Limit the scope of rule using one or more filters. Okay. And other one is apply to all objects in the bucket. This limitations, there is a limitation for this rule. If you keep this only few only, there is a limit for that. With the filters itself you can utilize this, but if you allow this, you can this will be applicable for all objects in the bucket.
All objects in that.
Okay, that's so I need to utilize this option
Yeah,
and the destination path.
yeah.
Okay,
Choose the destination.
choose a bucket in your account.
Sydney bucket.
Bucket, choose bucket only, right? This one only,
Yeah, yeah.
choose bucket in
This,
in this
they
account.
specify a bucket in another account, right?
This is actually specify bucket in other account, but I
Okay.
don't have other account. In this only
Okay,
I'm
okay.
going to
Choose
do.
the bucket in this account.
Okay, browse this. Browse this. So where is my destination? The destination is Sydney, right? Here is actually easy, right? Earlier actually we have tried to keep the destination path is manually we set it,
Yeah, right.
okay? But now it is directly I can able to choose it,
Right.
okay? Choose the path,
So I
okay?
think we have to enable the versioning.
100% it is required, it is showing that, right? Even earlier it was showing a top of the screen, now it is moving to here. So now I am going to enable versioning. So this was not mandatory earlier, but it is mandatory. These kind of changes happening in the AWS S3 anything, so they are actually keep on changing, okay? So that is actually good sign, that would be fine. Let us keep all as usual. Replication rule configuration. IAM role, choose existing, that's okay. Encryption, if you want, you can keep. That's it, right? I don't want to use this. Let's keep. Okay. So IAM rules. What is this? IAM rule. Choose from existing IAM.
We did not create it.
Okay. So no need. Let us keep as usual. Okay. Save.
Yeah.
Save this.
Yeah.
Oh, what is this? I already enabled, right?
I don't know.
Maybe
Let's
it
see.
was not applicable. Choose IAM role. One second. Sam. One second, Sam. It's
Yeah,
a
no problem.
hello. Okay. Sorry. I'll call you back once, please. Yeah. Okay. So what is this? I need to choose the role, right? Role. What is this role for auto scaling, support, management, monitoring role? So no existing role is available. Um, create new role. Sam, you understood? I don't have any existing rules here. Okay.
Yeah.
IAM roles actually I don't have. Nothing is there in IAM, so that's why I'm going to create role because it is mandatory. Okay. Create new role. Okay. The role itself, it will create its own role. Okay. So it will create the role and after that it will applicable. Let's see. Okay. So then save.
So we didn't have to create any IM role.
Yeah, it will take care itself.
Okay.
What is this? Existing objects. You can enable one-time batch operations job from this replication configuration to replicate objects that already exist in the bucket. The
Yes, we have.
synchronized source and destination buckets. Oh yeah.
Yes, we have.
So let's keep. Okay.
This was not there, right? This batch operations
No,
job
no,
and
no.
all.
It is not there.
Okay. There's not.
So, no. Let's take it back once. So role is
So
created. You see.
automatically creates.
Let me check. So in Mumbai bucket, where is this Mumbai bucket only? So in this Mumbai bucket, I'm going to try to upload some files. Let me check. So Mumbai. Where is Mumbai? Mumbai,
Yeah.
Mumbai. Yes, Mumbai. So let me give the permissions. Grant permissions. Anything missed? Permissions. I should be.
Box. Check. Check.
That's okay,
No.
right? Grant public access. This is the permission only. Yeah. And
Yes, yes.
just upload. Just upload. So whatever I uploaded here now, that should be replicable immediately in the Sydney automatically without any manual intervention.
That's right.
Right. Let me cross check here and I'll refresh here this page. Okay, Sydney bucket. This is Sydney bucket. You see here.
Yes.
For example, these many steps involved actually initially. I will try to upload other file directly. Just I am trying to upload now. Just once after setting the rules, you have only one task. You need to upload the
But
objects.
when we are adding the object, we should just enable the versioning.
Yes.
At the time of creating
Yeah,
the
that is
object,
now it is mandatory. Yeah, it is mandatory.
uploading the object, we should enable the versioning, and then IAM role, just like the IAM role, automatically it will create an IAM role,
Yeah.
giving access to, from one the bucket to another.
Yes. 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 So now I have uploaded one file. Don't focus on the file. Just I uploaded one
So
file.
automatically it will.
Yeah. So this file should be replicable in the destination path is Sydney. So that should be applicable. That should be replicate. Let me check whether it is replicating or not. Buckets. Go to Sydney bucket. It should appear. Otherwise,
Yeah, yes.
is it
Right now,
uploaded or not? Successfully uploaded. That's fine. Where is that error? Okay. Standard. See here, storage class is standard.
yes.
Okay. Again, I'll go to and refresh here. See here. So this is called as latency. So it is not replicate. It is not replicable that much speed. Bandwidth is little slow. Okay. Anyways, this is actually replicable, which means replication happened. So you can see the file, right?
Um, yeah.
This one. This
So
one.
it,
See,
yeah, yeah. So it takes a few seconds.
few seconds. It is taking few seconds. So yeah, this is all about. So this all about a replication. So this manual process has been done. Okay, automation is also done by setting the rules.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go other topic. 1 minute. I need this. So I'm going to delete it. Shall we do one thing?
Yeah, please tell me.
In Sydney, I'll try to upload one file.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Sydney 5.
Oh no, same names, right? Both are same name. I'll keep some other name.
Some
Uh,
image.
Shell script, something is there here. I'll keep here. Okay. Permissions granted. Grant public read access. Let me try to upload this. Okay, it is uploaded. So this is uploaded shell scripting file which is in Sydney. So let me check whether this is replicable or not. As per our condition, it should not, right?
Yes.
Mumbai. Nothing is there. Clear? which means
Right.
only one-way communication is happening.
Right.
This is what. Okay, let me try to delete this. Okay. Okay. Fine. So in this management, next one is life cycle configuration. Life cycle management.
Right.
Okay, let's discuss about this.
Yeah.
It is not LCM, that mathematical LCM, not least common. It is life cycle management. Okay. So what is LCM? So if you upload an object, that will be migrate one place to other place based on the importance, certain number of days. If you don't want it, you should not do manually. That should move automatically in certain days. Okay. So wherever the data is there, AWS will change. AWS will charge actually as per the
Sure.
class. Correct. For example, I'm using actually standard. This is standard IA. Okay. Maybe this is uh, glacier. Okay. This is deep glacier for suppose. Okay. So if I keep something here, or one object or one file here, so what will happen is this charge will be constant even until unless you keep here. So for what happened is, if this file is not that much important, in this cases also will happen in companies. This file is not
Yes.
important. This file is only important for certain days only. Okay,
Right.
certain hours. In this case, we can utilize this service LCM. So I want to move this file. Maybe I want this only for 10 days, but for backup purpose 20 days I want to keep. So total 20 days is backup and 10 days is for my requirement. Total 30 days I want to keep this file here. After 30 days it should move to somewhere, some here. Okay, in this class. 1 second,
Yes.
it's not working. Okay, so 30 days after 30 days it will move here. It will stay here 30 days again. Okay, this will move here after 30 days, which means how many days? 30 plus 30, total 90 days. After 90 days, what will happen? It will collapse. It will get deleted.
Collapsed.
Okay,
Right.
this will be deleted, right?
Okay.
So in this case, we can use a LCM. So life cycle management option is there. We can utilize this option. After that, we can also set this. We have this life cycle management days will be available in these options.
Available in this option.
Yeah, intelligent. For example, my intention is actually for standard IA year. I want to keep this standard IA for only 30 days. Again,
Right.
I want to go for intelligent tiring. So I will keep intelligent for tiring for 30 days again. Here I
Right.
will keep here. This will store for 30 days. After 30 days, immediately it will move to somewhere deep glacier or glacier
Keep
something.
archive. Keep archive.
Deep archive, whatever. Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
so this process will once if you set up done, this will be done automatically without any manual intervention.
Right.
Okay, so after that it will expire, so this will
Yeah.
disappear.
It will disappear. The
Yes,
data will go away.
yes. Okay, okay, so shall we do the setup now?
Yeah. Sure. Yes.
Okay, so let me go here LCM, this one life cycle configuration. Okay, so life cycle rule, create life cycle rule. I will keep here what is this bucket life cycle rule. I will keep my name
Okay.
cycle rule. I'll keep like this. Next, apply all objects in this. I'm going to choose this.
Yeah.
So life cycle rule actions here. Transition current version. Okay.
Objects
Transition
between.
transition current version of the object between storage classes. This action will move current versions. Okay, this is transition. One second, I'm not choosing. I'm just selecting. Transition non-current versions of object between storage classes. This action will move non-current versions. Okay, you see here nothing is. This is for current versions. This is for non-current versions. Okay.
Okay.
Next, expire current versions of objects. Okay. So if you want, you can check these options. These are
Non-current means old
old one.
data.
Non-current means old one. Current means
Old
this
data.
current versions means current objects.
Yeah. Right. The
Non-current
ones
means
which.
old one only. Right. Next, if you want permanently delete, if you check only this, these options will be enabled. If you don't check it, it
Yeah.
will not enable. So it is asking permanently delete non-current versions of object. It is asking definitely, right? The old version, whenever you finishing your life cycle movement, the end of
Right.
the day your object should be deleted, right? You can't keep and feed more longer days without using this object, without utilizing this object unnecessarily. Why should
Yes.
you wait? Why should you pay? So this is
Right.
these steps is for actually saving, cost saving purpose.
Yes.
Okay, next to delete expired object, delete marker. Delete marker, delete expired.
Yeah.
Where
Yeah.
we'll get this?
Version.
In versions,
Versions.
right? Incomplete multi-part uploads, which means
Yeah.
these actions are not supported when filtering by object tag or subject tag. So if you enable this,
These are errors actually.
yes, correct.
Errors. We
I
don't want errors. You can
Yeah,
delete the errors.
yes. So these rules, if you want to enable, you can keep. transaction.
Right.
And previous also, I want to keep this also. I want to keep this also. Okay. So let's keep not this. Let's
Okay.
keep as usual then. If you
Right.
want, you can enable. Not a big deal. Your wish. See here, transition current versions object between storage classes. Okay, standard IA. How many days? In this standard
30 days.
IA, how many days you want to keep, Sam? I want to
You
keep
said
30
30
days.
days.
Okay. Add transition. I want to keep this.
Glacier.
I want to
Glacier.
keep this. Yeah, I want to keep this in somewhere. Intelligent tiring. How many? 30 days. I'm not keeping. Just this is for understanding. So again, I
Deep
want to keep.
archive.
See here, the stages is getting down, right?
Yeah.
This
Deep
is
archive.
highest stage. You see, this is highest stage. After this next stage, the cost will be varies here.
Yeah.
Cost will
Cost
be
will be
varies
less.
till here and here. One zone means this is only available for only one zone. So this
Right.
is glacier. So these many stages, I'm going to utilize all the options. 30 days. Okay. Again, glacier,
Deep
30
archive.
days. So I will delete it. It will be cost actually.
Yeah. Delete it.
This
We are
is the
just
final
doing
one.
it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
So,
total you can calculate here 30 days. This is zero cost. I mean, these 30 days actually standard IA. This is the original file.
original file.
This is the original file where you are storing in standard IA. After that, here movement is started here actually. After 30 days, it will move to the first intelligent tiring. Again, this 30 days, it will move here. Okay, let me utilize this. Where is my pen? 1 second.
Yeah. Got it.
Yeah,
Yes, I
better
understood.
just for a better understanding. Okay, this is actually file.
Yeah.
30 days it will move here. Okay, again
Right.
30 days it will move here. Total how many? 60 days. Again
Series.
30 days how many? It will move here. Total 90
Right.
days. Again 30 days it will move here. Total how many days?
120.
120 days.
120.
So after whenever you keep this file here, from the first day to till 120 days, your file will be move with different stages. Okay, cost will be for cost cutting purpose. We are actually keeping in different stages. It is moving like this. So
Old
on
locations. Yeah.
after 120th day, it will be deleted.
It will be expired. It will
It
expire.
will be expired. Yes, it will expire. Okay. So this process again. So after that, you can't take it back.
Yes, you can't take it back. Correct.
Yes. Again, so let me delete this first. I'm going down. I mean, scroll down. Okay. So here in a standard IA, how many days you want to keep initially? From 1 day to, for
30,
example, Sam, this is actually, you see this
30
option
days.
here also.
Yeah.
Again, you got it,
Exactly.
which means this option for this option is actually main option. This you are going to keep this standard IA. How many days you want to keep? You mentioned here actually 30 days. Okay.
Yeah. Actually, remember when we were above when we were selecting the choices, expire the current version, expire the non-current version, delete the permanent marker, the markers. That was the option. So if you check all, then for each option you will get this section, the storage class transition
Hmm.
section.
Yeah. Can you, if I add here, you see here, transition non-current versions, which means old one. This is related to old one, right? Non
Yeah.
transition non-current versions of object between storage classes. What is this?
Right.
Transition current versions of the object between storage classes. This is for old one. Old objects are there. If you want to keep
Yeah.
this
When we
also.
chose all the options, when we choose all the options,
Hmm.
each option will come with this same section.
Yes.
So, yeah.
Okay. So no, this you'll keep. I'm just keeping. I'm not using this. Okay. So expire current versions of objects. Okay. How many days? expire
And then
current versions of object. Current versions, how many days you want to keep this current version?
don't know, 120 days. I don't know what we chose that transition thing. So according to that, how many days? Don't know. 120 days, 30 days.
So total how many days? 120 days, right? For version enabled buckets, Amazon S3 adds delete marker and current versions of object is retained as non-current version. Okay. Current versions of object is retained non-current version, which means it is become non-current version, which means older. Current
Yeah.
version, whatever the current version is, for example, current version is 3.
Forgot.
Okay. So again it is retained non-current version. Okay. So
So I
for non-version buckets, Amazon S3 permanently moves to the object. Permanently removes the object.
I don't know how many
Okay.
days.
I'll keep 120 days. Okay. Minimum is, see, example, I
30
want to
days.
keep 0. The integer value must be greater than 0.
They will read the very first day.
The integer must be greater than 30. Why? We mentioned here minimum 30 days.
Yeah, that is what.
Right? Where is that? Here. So I will keep 120th. Okay. Permanently delete non-current. This is current version. This is for non-current version. Nothing difference. Okay. This is old one. 120 I'll keep. Okay. This options is actually they are providing the options. If you want to utilize it as per your requirement, you can utilize it.
Yeah, but there's too many options.
Yeah,
Too
yeah.
many options confuse you.
Yeah, why? Because they have given too many options. Maybe requirement is will be very vast for some projects.
Yeah, some
According to
projects.
your project requirement, these options will be useful. These options will not be useful for all the time,
Right.
right? So see here, it is a review. First, for current versions, you see first initial is 0. After that, 30 days it is moving to standard IA. After that, it is moved. After 30 days, it is moved to
To
intelligent
one
tiring.
zone.
From here 30 days again it is moved to one zone IA, and after that totally 120 days it will expire object.
Expire the
The
object.
object is expiring here after 20th day, right? Create rule. But we can't wait for 120. What is this?
Oh,
Non-current
something.
versions. Okay, okay, okay. Total how many? 31, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 are there, right? Day 30th. 1, 2, 3, 128th. Okay. What is the error? The object to move glacier flexible rate. Okay, that's okay. The integer value for glacier. Okay. 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 Got it. Got it. Got it. Got it. So we should not keep here 30. Okay.
Yes.
Here is actually 30. Okay. Then here you need to keep 60. Here 90.
Oh my, it will take a lot of time.
Yeah.
Too many days to. Then they are charging you more also.
Yes. So first
More,
initially. Yeah. Yeah.
they are charging more.
Yes. 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 31st. The integer value
Six.
intelligent tiring must be at least 30 more than values of standard IA. Okay.
Yeah, 30, but it's not happening. It's only taking 60. 60, it's taking multiple of 2,
Yes.
multiple of 3, multiple of 3.
Yeah. Yeah. Let me check here. 31st. Not taking.
Multiple of 3. Takes
Yeah.
multiple of
Yeah.
3.
Yeah. 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 60. These many days. Oh
Yeah,
God. Okay.
also more.
Too much, right?
So in
So
that
I'll
case,
do
I
one thing.
don't.
In that case, I'll keep here. I'll do one thing. So there is no other way. Actually, you need to
It says
follow this.
minimum of 30 days. No, no, it says minimum of 30
Minimum is
days.
30 days. Okay.
The minimum is 30
So
days.
then like that's fine. I'll keep 150 here.
No, no, not 150. Maybe one. So maybe one. Yeah,
One
it's not
second.
taken
90
actually.
ACCC here. What is this? The integer
180.
value of
180.
glacier depth must be at least 90 more than the value of glacier
190.
flexible. Yeah, yeah. Double.
240.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Too much, right? So these many days without the, for example, that file is not important. If you keep this much days,
It's no
no use,
use.
right? Okay.
But what they do is, I think so. They do not take. They do not keep so many tirings. They keep only one or two tirings. That's all. From standard to maybe intelligent tiring, and then directly to glacier deep circle. So that it does not take too much time, and just it's over. Or maybe from standard to glacier. That's all.
Yes. Only some. We should not select all this. Then it will be also very big cost. So we need to choose only one or two, which is low cost.
Right.
So these many days we can't wait, right? So I'm just showing the process. That's it.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
That's it. Just to review it.
So
41st day it will expire.
bucket will be same. The bucket name will be same. It's just that it will keep on changing
Oh
the,
yeah, yeah, 100%. The same will be name will be same. This will be
but the
changed into
storage
different classes.
classes will be different.
Different
That's all.
class. If you see after 60th day, that whatever the bucket is there, this bucket will move into here, where in this intelligent tiring, the same bucket name would be there.
Right.
So this is the one way. If you want to save the cost, so you can utilize this option also. Okay. What is
Yes.
the time now, Sam?
It is 1 o'clock.
Oh, 1.5 hour already. So shall we wind it up?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We have we completed the life cycle part. We should complete this part. Then we can. Otherwise, it will be
Yeah, yeah.
in mid.
Only next actually we have some topics available. I already the acceleration is pending. Okay, transfer acceleration we'll discuss for tomorrow. Okay. So next what the encryption related also we did not discuss, right? So that encryption part also we'll see. And next
This
tags.
is over. Life cycle is over.
Life cycle is over, right?
Fine, fine. Then it's fine.
We'll see about transfer acceleration. That is important, right?
And
So
that is important.
which means edge locations. We'll create edge locations.
Expect faster
Yeah,
delivery
yeah.
of.
I'll do one thing. We'll discuss transfer acceleration in the initial first half an hour. Okay. I'll also explain about transfer acceleration, and I'll create a lab session for you. And
Okay.
after that, you need to do this life cycle management, and also this
Yes, I'll do it.
replication, and also acceleration all together at once.
I'll do it together. Yeah.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
So
Right.
then after that, this complete S3 will be finished.
Yes,
And
we will
also
be.
we'll cover small parts like what is that encryption also we can enable. While you are doing
Okay.
it, we can enable it. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Encryption part. Okay, so encryption I think we did right.
We know theoretically about encryption because everything is encrypted. WhatsApp messages, anything that we do is encrypted. But we did
Yeah,
not
yeah.
do it. We did not use the feature on in S3.
Yeah, yeah, and also we forgot actually object lock also we have seen that
Object
also
lock.
we'll do
Yes.
that. Just we will lock it. Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so since the small options also are also there, let's see that also. Let's cover all those things, and
Okay.
after that we'll complete S3.
Okay. Okay.
So tomorrow part initially we half an hour we'll discuss about acceleration, and I'll show that, and after that you need to cover all these things. You need to do.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
fine, Sam. I think you are only practicing with me, or you are also doing
No, no,
practice.
no. Yeah, I'm doing it also.
Is it? That's great. That's great. Awesome. Please do that.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Do not neglect, please. Please do that. Okay, so Sam, thank you so much. Thanks for connecting today. So nice talking to you. Have a good day for you.
See you soon.
Right? Bye bye. Take care.